This Realty ONE Group Select property video is presented by Ledbetter. Incredible sunrise main channel waterfront. Over 250 FD of shoreline. Lot is ready to build your dream home. Beautiful lot with permitted dock and pier in place. Well installed already. Beautiful beach area on lot. This is a one-of-a-kind lot on this lake. 10 minutes to the new Publix in Sherrills Ford. Growing area quick, beautiful houses in the area. Large lot at 0.76 acres. Septic permit for a 4-bedroom home 10 years ago. Must apply.Deep water dock, room for a large boat at dock. Motivated seller lot will be cleared tomorrow, April 14, 2020. 1,400 minutes square feet build requirement. For more information.